Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today is the day. It is that time again. I'm organizing my leftovers and samplers. A lot of you guys really enjoy these videos. I think it's like akin to how I like watching cleaning videos. You like to see the organizing and stuff. So if this is your jam, I'm going to link some of my past organization videos down in the description for you to check out as well. But this is a very therapeutic experience. It takes me a while to get through them, but once it's done, it feels so good. Before anyone asks, I do give these to my sister, like all of my leftovers. So they go to a good home, and she uses them because she's a very functional planner, and so she also has fun digging through all of them and finding little goodies. So if you're wondering where they go, that's where they go. All right, are we ready to get into what we're doing today? Let me scoot this stack over just a little bit. I like to do this before every time that I organize, and that is go through this book and show you how I organize it. So let's do that real fast. Okay, this first page here is just a catch-all. I need to move these. All of these need to find a new home, so I will do that today. Same with those guys. Okay, first couple pages are random deco, and I have some room to grow with that. Then I've got Crafty Banana, Once More with Love, Bubba Bear, which I haven't really bought any Bubba Bear recently, and so that one I probably need to eliminate. Coffee Monsters Co., Fox and Pip, and then it gets into the color categories for like icons and things like that. So we've got red, pink, orange, yellow, teal, green, blue, purple, black and neutral. And then I go into a new section, which is like functional things like scripts. Then I've got some flight trackers, habit trackers, some canceled, rescheduled stickers, checklists, movie marquees. Then I have quarter boxes, and last I have half and third boxes. So this system has been working for me for more than a year, and it just works. So I didn't mention this, but this little sticker book is from Once More with Love. I will link it down below if it's still available on her website. And then I just put a little Coffee Monsters Co. journaling card in the front. So this is what I'm going to use to organize everything. And I've already got my categories all set up. So that's easy. The first step is to go through this stack of kit leftovers and pull out things like icons and boxes and leftover deco that can go in here. I only pull things that I know that I would use. If I even have a question about it, I just send it on to my sister. So I'm pretty ruthless about what I keep. But I've noticed I'm running a little bit low, especially on things like icons. So this time around, I'm going to be specifically looking for things like icons and boxes. I can always use boxes. All right, I think we're ready to get into it. So let's get started. All right, all of my kit leftovers are done. I have some from there from like all the way back to February or so, maybe even January. So it was time. It's once it gets about 6 months, then I know I need to get on that organizing. Okay, next part is doing my samplers, and I actually pull a lot of stuff from my samplers, so whew, let's go through these. All right, so all of my samplers are sorted. The ones that I am keeping are all of my Crafty Banana samplers, the full ones. And then I've got this from Lives Planner Action. I've got these from Jessica Hart's. I've got some die cuts, things like that. So now there's only like 10 things in here, which is awesome. And then these are all of my foil samplers that I think I would use. So I need to sort these by foil color and then get them into my foil albums. So I will do that later. I'm not going to do that right now. But let's check out the progress that I made in my little sticker book. Okay, I feel like I found a lot of good stuff. These things I'm holding off until the first week of school. I thought these were really cute, and this matches my August monthly kit, so I kept that. These, I just need to find them a new home. Okay, so I filled out a lot of this page with random deco and kind of overflowed over here. And then Crafty Banana, I have so much now, like so much. I did have some Once More with Love. Bubba Bear is still the same. I actually didn't have any Coffee Monsters Co. because I haven't ordered in a while, and I actually need to soon. So maybe I'll get some samplers from her. I also haven't ordered for Fox and Pip in a while, so nothing to add there. But I did find some new icons, especially in like the yellow and the teal and green. no purple. A couple of neutrals. And then I found some more scripts that I could possibly use. I did not add any habit trackers because I haven't been using them lately, so I'm just going to pass those on to my sister. And then I didn't even look for these guys. That was my mistake, but I'm not going back. It's fine. And then I didn't add any checklists because I'm not using those either right now. A couple movie marquees, and then I added quite a few quarter boxes and third and half boxes. So I have a ton of those right now, which is great. So that's everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you enjoy organizing videos, if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!